Meaning of gazundering.
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 Gazundering. Gazundering is a term used in the UK property market to describe a situation where a buyer reduces their offer on a previously agreed property sale just prior to exchange of contracts. This typically leaves the seller with little choice but to accept the lower price or risk losing the sale altogether. Gazundering is generally seen as an unfair tactic that takes advantage of the seller's vulnerability and can cause significant stress and financial loss. The resulting situation can lead to mistrust between buyers and sellers and can negatively impact the overall property market.